Isn't this a nice Bible? It's a fairly big book with nice margins, although they probably were just a bit larger originally. The script is pleasing and easy to read, an early Gothic bookhand. It's easy to navigate thanks to red and blue running titles and chapters that are clearly numbered in the margins. The books of the Bible and the prologues begin with lovely, crisply painted initials. The palette is delightful, blue, dusky pink, and notably very bright orange, patterned in white and with the leaves outlined in plentiful tiny white dots, often ending in spirals of leaves set on blocky geometric grounds. Many initials in our Bible end with a long-necked dragon with distinctive long ears, holding leaves in their mouths. Some include small mask motifs at the bottoms of the initial. The initials vary in size, but often they're quite large, running half to full length of the text column. Who painted them? We are quite confident that the Bible can be added to the manuscripts attributed to the famous Oxford illuminator William de Brailes, or someone working closely with him. They're very similar to initials in other Bibles painted by him. One of only two 13th century English artists known by name, de Brailes painted self-portraits in two of his manuscripts and identified himself with his name in the margins. He's also found in documents from Oxford. In the 19th century, our Bible belonged to Matthew Holbesch Bloxham of Rugby, England, an antiquary and amateur archaeologist, author of a popular guide to Gothic architecture, and owner of a small group of very nice medieval manuscripts. He gave our Bible to the Rugby School in 1883 on his 78th birthday, and it remained there until it was sold by the school in 2018.